Optimal health and quality of life is absolutely not possible without some form of regular exercise. It doesn't have to be a lot, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but we've got to move. Hi, I'm Traci Lyn, and I want you to move your body. So this is my second video where I'm going to talk to you more about what my Move Your Body workouts are all about and the tools that I will be utilizing within those workouts. So if you're new to my channel, I want this to make sense to you. So if you could jump on over to my first video, which I have linked down below, and then come back to this video, that would be great. So these workouts I have created, I call full body fusion workouts, because we will be moving our upper and our lower bodies together with functional compound movements. Compound movements are when you're working multiple muscles at the same time, opposed to an isolation movement, like a bicep curl. Now, even with an isolation movement, you're boosting your cardio because our heart muscle has to pump blood and oxygen to that muscle. So when you're working multiple muscles, you're boosting your cardio even more. Now, with my workouts, we're moving our upper and lower body with compound movements. So you're boosting your cardio even more. And when you're moving your body in this way, it allows for a shorter and effective workout. There's another bonus that comes with that. The core of your body is coming along for the ride when you're moving like that. The core of our body is the most important area to keep strong. It basically holds us together and keeps us upright and strong in life. That's our hips. You got to keep those hips strong. Glutes, back, abdominals, strength training. That's what's going to protect those joints and bones. These workouts are not about heavy weight and big muscles, but they are about strength training with resistance tools to strengthen our muscles, to protect our bones and our joints for longevity. If you want to add heavy weight, go for it, because I have made these workouts for you to customize. Whatever level you're at, even if you're a complete beginner, you make them yours. If you are a beginner, it's important that you learn the movements with proper form before introducing any resistance tools. When the time is right, you'll slowly introduce those tools, which are key, again, for strengthening our muscles, to protect our bones and joints, and to challenge yourself and get the most benefit out of the time you put into your workout. But remember, it's one step at a time if you're a beginner. You can do these workouts back to back in the same day, or even consecutive days, because again, they're not about heavy weight. If you're feeling a little muscle fatigue or maybe a little soreness, especially if you're a beginner, then just do the movements without the resistance tools, or just take the day off and go for a walk or something. So these are the tools I will be utilizing within my workouts. First, free weights, from 3s all the way up to the heavy 12s. So 3s and 5s are on the lighter side, especially for beginners. I use the 5s a lot, especially for raises, arm raises. 8s to 10s, going into the medium, even heavy side, depending on your level. 12s are definitely the heaviest I usually use in these movements, because these weights can start getting heavy when you're moving your upper and lower body like this. But you adjust according to where you are, and it's also depends on the muscles you're working. Like lat rows, you can go heavier. Presses, chest press, you can go heavier. So it depends on how you're moving, and you'll just learn it as you go. So free weights. I'll be uploading my free weight workouts first, because right now I'm working on a video utilizing the bands. And when I have that done, I'll upload my workouts using the bands. Now with the bands, I have, flat bands, which I love. These are my favorites. And then tubing, resistance tubing. I love both of these. There's so much you can do, and I definitely have workouts using these. Very portable. Stick these in your purse, take them traveling. You probably don't want to travel with your free weights, so love these bands. Hip bands. Hip bands, I love. You can use these in all my workouts. They just challenge your glutes and your hips more. You put them around your legs, and you have to press against them because they want to try to press your legs in and ruin your form. So you press against them, and you just get double time work in here. Love these hip bands, and I definitely utilize these in my workouts. But even when I don't, you can use these. Highly recommend. Everything's falling. This physio ball, I think every household should have. You can sit on that instead of a chair and just work on your core. You can roll out on it and stretch. There's just so much you can do with that, and everybody should have one of those. I definitely will be incorporating that into workouts. I have workouts already using that, and I love that. So those are the tools. I will have links to the ones that I recommend according to like price point and quality. If I don't have links, you can also find some of these things at Walmart, Target, and if you go on Amazon and they're out of stock, they'll always recommend something else. Just look at the reviews. But those are the tools. Just get them as you can, and or pick and choose which workouts you want to do. I will also have all my workouts numbered and in playlists, so you can pick and choose. And with that said, I have created a workout log, which is really good for beginners or somebody that hasn't worked out on a consistent basis. It's really effective. You can track your workouts, any notes, how you felt, how you modified, the weights you've used, so you can keep track of how you're moving up. So I highly suggest printing that out if you're a beginner or somebody that hasn't worked out consistently. Plan your workouts and have it out with your workout clothes where you can see. That's very effective too. So if this sounds good to you, all this sounds good to you, and you're ready to move your body with my Move Your Body workouts, then I need you to do 4 things. Give this video a thumbs up. That would be great. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell. That's 3. Make sure you hit that notification bell and allow all notifications, because that is the only way you will know every time I upload a workout, and I have a lot for you. That's 3. 4, share this video, my channel, with friends, family, anyone you can think of on or off of social media. Let's get everybody moving. Thank you for staying until the end of this video, and now it's time to work out. I'll look forward to having you join me in all my Move Your Body workouts. Thank you.